Today, I'm going to show you how you can add a point distribution question to your survey. Point distribution questions allow respondents to distribute numerical values throughout different response options. To add such a question, you go into your survey, and once you're in your survey, you click the Add Survey Element icon, choose Question, select Point Distribution, and click Next. Then we can start by defining our question. In our example today, we want to ask our respondents in terms of their job satisfaction, how they prioritize the following work-related themes. And then we want them to distribute up to 100 points across the categories below, where more points indicate greater importance to you. And then we can start adding our response options. In our example today, we start with the response option work tasks. And I can simply click the enter button to add the next response option, which is going to be efficiency. Then we add work conditions, teamwork, trust and justice, professional and personal development, immediate manager, change and transition, and as the last one, we add customers. And then once we finalized our response options, we can click Next. Then we are able to define our question settings. The require answer setting is enabled by default. Then we can also enable the decimal settings, which allow respondents to enter decimals. We can also enable a constraint setting. The setting requires the respondent to distribute the exact amount of value between the given response options. If you wish to change this, you can click on the drop-down menu and select another constraint, for example, distribute minimum or distribute maximum. Then you can also choose the amount of value that the respondents have to answer. In our example, it's going to be 100 points. And then you can also change the layout. For example, you have the option to randomize the response options, and then you can also choose the unit. The percentage unit is enabled by default, but in our example, we want the unit to be points, as we want our respondents to distribute 100 points. And then once you've finalized your question and customized the settings, we click Add. And this is how you can add a point distribution question to your survey.